Hey friends, many students are confused about which classes are better for PG preparation, and we already discussed about it in our previous video, that is Prepladder versus Marrow. If you haven't watched it, I will provide link in description or at the end of this session. But it is about only online classes. What if we add live classes in it? So yes, in this lecture, we are going to discuss about the doubt from every Indian medico, that is which classes are better for PG preparation, live or online. So here we have the live classes like DAMS, Bhatiya, and here we have online classes like Prepladder and Marrow. So first, if we are think about faculty, there is no doubt about the class faculty of both classes, that is online or live. Their past track records speak for itself. The total number of selections and toppers of any exams have been the part either from online or live classes. So basically both having excellent faculty. Let's discuss about test series because that all matters is practice, right? DAMS provide grand test, subject wise test, class test and mock test along with computer based test, that is CBT, which makes sure students have got enough practice before appearing for actual exam. And except from class test, all test series available in online platform like in Prepladder and Marrow. The test like grand test, subject wise test, mock test, and you all heard that Marrow test series are tougher as compared to NEET, giving you better understanding, and it also keep you thriving. Also, as more number of students take Marrow series compared to the others, it predicts your rank pretty well. However, you should consider getting one more test series from Bhatiya or DAMS to be more competent. Another plus point, Marrow test series are not CBTs. CBTs means what? CBTs, which are exams that you write in the center, unlike the others. So, thus saving your time, energy, the time from traveling to the centers. So, my point is the online test series are much better and convenient for you. For image-based questions, DAMs have DAMs visual trait, which is very special feature which quick and concise revision of all subjects with images. While on online platform, image-based questions are separately available at the end of topic, and this is also very convenient to revise. And now, if we are going to talk about notes, in live classes or classroom coaching, you have to make your own notes, that is your own handwritten notes, and the classes are planned in such a way that all the vital details with the diagram, and they are given you the due time to make notes. Let me explain the important point, that is all serious and genuine aspirants know the value of self-made notes after understanding the concept, and the online class provide handwritten notes are very good given with the relevant exams, so you can directly buy it from the app, which might be help to save your time, like if you are in intern or post intern or you are in final year, so you can buy the notes and take a revision from it. But my opinion is if you have much time or you are in junior classes, make your own notes because we can easily revise the self-made note. Yes, you can make notes from online classes or the live classes, but make sure that if you have enough time, then please make your own handwritten notes. Now, the important point, that is revision. If we talk about DAMS and Bhatiya, what actually happen is timetable are predetermined by coaching institutes. So it's easy to follow classes but difficult to concentrate from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Yes, that is from morning to evening for 2 to 4 days on a weekend. After the classes, many are tired to follow up with the subjects, and finishing a subject become a difficult in a week. So unfinished subject might be left unattended till the coaching classes are done completely. So during revision, it feels more mechanical and concepts can be missed out or forgotten. This makes it more difficult to comprehend and revise. In online classes like Prepladder, come with a new initiative that is a rapid revision program. Yes, all you need to know about the Prepladder rapid revision program because in very less hours you can revise all the concept and point which are important for your PG preparation in very short period of time. So it's having very high strike rate, and yes, I am saying this point because it's taken from many students from their reviews. We can compare both these classes in various aspects, but I am not going to waste your time and directly came to the point, that is pros of live classes. So what are the pros? Yes, at beginning we discussed that in these classes we have absolutely excellent teachers, right? There is a good test series with a good strike rate, and it is available in all the cities, even in peripheral parts. And in places where it is not available, then there are face to face and satellite classes, because both of these classes are live, where you can learn from the teachers and can interact with the faculty. And let me tell you one point, in JIPMER 2018, topper was a regular satellite class student. In live, where you can learn and get your doubts solved, which is not exactly like the apps, you can only listen to what the tutors have taught. You can't ask doubt at the point of time. But in live classes, you can ask the doubt at the point of time while teaching. There is a DAMS exclusive club on Facebook, which is truly a boon for the aspirants because it is a platform for the students for doubt clearing and for giving updates, which is very important, especially for the subjects like PSM. Revision series, which is vital before the real exams, are conducted on the club for free of the cost. Many students who opted for Marrow and Prepladder over the dance classes now, they are complaining that they can't sit patiently for hours in front of the screen, and now they have lost time when Damsonian, that is the students those are studying in dams, are about to finish the course and already in the revision mode. So this is the depressing point for those who are preparing Prepladder and Marrow. Now moving toward the cons, about 10 to 12 hour classes in a single day, so it's very difficult to concentrate all the times. Many students are using mobiles in between, so there is chances of missing many concepts. And so the next is, fees is higher than online classes. Revision is mechanical, yes, and for coaching classes, some students need relocation, finding accommodation, paying guests, good food, extra expenses, high coaching fees are the bothersome. So these are some cons of live classes. Now the moving toward pros of online classes. So the pros are, so first of all, less price. You can use the app at your own time of comfort. Use in your comfort zone. And yes, you can use it in any smartphone or in your any tablet. And the most important point is, this is user friendly for intern, post intern, final year students, and are the best self study partners. You can access to modules, MCQ, videos anywhere, anytime. So these are the pros. And the most important thing is, India's topmost faculties teaching in a single app, so you can study from home, town, anywhere that you want. The videos of Marrow and Prepladder are very much comprehensive and very conceptual by the great faculties of doctors. You can track your progression. Your performance is trackable in the form of analytic graphs. You will know where you stand in this competition. So these are the pros of online classes, which are many. We might have missed out a few things because the number of amazing features of these apps are countless. Both these apps have the Facebook group where you can tag the teachers and ask your doubts. And the cons are, these are the recorded lectures and practically can't be completed in your comfort zone. Ask any aspirant who use these apps, that is Marrow or Prepladder. as main source of preparation could not complete the course in time. So we claim that the advantage of use in your comfort zone is actually proven to be disadvantage. If you can't finish your course in time, then there is no scope of revision, which leading very feeble chance of success. You need to have internet connectivity or Wi-Fi connectivity, because if you are in a mood to study but because of telecom failure or otherwise, which is not very uncommon, it is not possible to use the app. And the most important thing is you need to be consistent with your timetable. This is very important. You have to be consistent with your own timetable, and you think that you are consistent with your own timetable, then go for it. So at last I want to tell you, whatever you choose, trust them. They will give you enough content. What will lack is always your effort. A simple advice to all those preparing for NEET PG from my side is, for cracking PG, it require temperaments, require persistent hard work, required hunger, require thrust, require hunger for success. If you have still doubt, ask to your seniors, because seniors are so beautiful, they are so concerned about us. Read something only if you are sure that you can revise it, and focus more on grand test rather than question bank and subject wide test. And if you are choosing online platform, the best point and the most important thing is, try to consistent with your own timetable. Apart from this, I would strongly recommend you guys to go through their Play Store reviews before downloading any of them. I already uploaded the video on comparison between the Prepladder and Marrow, so you can watch it. The link is given in description, and stay tuned for next upcoming videos on PG preparation. Hope this helps you, and good luck for your exams. Thank you.